Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are doing another bargain deck unboxing. This is again from Barnes & Noble's Book Annex and it retailed for $15. So I'm really excited to get into it. This is a guide to moon magic. Harness the power of the lunar cycles with guided rituals, spells, and meditations. Includes 64-page magical guidebook, 32-page guided journal, 25 mystical spell cards, and a moonstone. So I mean, for $15, I can't really complain too much. This is published by Wellfleet Press. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can purchase this legitimately should you want to. All right. Use the moon to draw the life you envision and let go of anything holding you back. Each lunar cycle and its unique energy can affect our moods, feelings, and desires. Harness your fullest potential as you become clearer on your intentions and attract what you desire. Let the moon lead you toward the life you want. This kit will help you create clear intentions and affirmations, teach you how to meditate with the different moon phases, and show you how to properly conduct spells and rituals during the right lunar moment. Open your arms to Mother Moon and allow her to take you into hers with this comprehensive and magical kit. So I mean, you have a lot in this kit for $15. I'm excited. I don't know about you. Let's open it up. Alrighty. It's big packaging, but with all of that is included, I would expect it to be a little on the bigger side. All right. Ooh. Okay, let me get into it and then I'll meet you right back. All right, you did not need to see me struggle opening up that plastic. So first things first, let's check out this moonstone here. Ooh. That's really pretty. I do not think it's glass. I have a hard time sometimes differentiating between fake and real. Let me know in the comments if you see otherwise. Okay, so here is the Moon Magic Guided Journal. Blessed be those who enter these pages with open mind and open heart. The magic is yours for the taking. Okay, so we have a new moon meditation. Nice. I love that there are questions here to help you write out things for that specific phase. Then we have the waxing, crescent moon, meditation, first quarter, different questions, waxing, full, waning, awesome, and last quarter and waning crescent. That's really cool. So what I would possibly do for myself is I would like keep this clear from writing and I would make my own journal every month, maybe. You know, those little composite notebooks, stuff like that, those really inexpensive ones. So that way each month I can utilize this and copy down the questions because yeah, I would have a lot more to write every single month. So that's just a thought. That's great. I love a guided journal. I think that's fantastic because sometimes it's really hard. I get writer's block. I'm like, what am I supposed to say? What do I want to say, etc. So having guided questions specific to that moon phase is awesome. And then we have a guide to moon magic here. Love it. Blessed be those who enter these pages with an open mind and open heart. Okay. Then we have content. So how to use the kit, power magic of the moon, force of moon's phases, intention setting, positive moon affirmations, the full moon and other magical moon phases, birthstone energies and magic, astrology and the moon, and then moon rituals. So there's a lot here. Okay, so I want to know how to use this kit because that's the whole point, right? So, the Moon Magic Spell Cards. This kit includes 25 spell cards, each geared toward a different phase of the moon to gain the best outcome or intention. With each spell card, you'll use the moon's magical energies combined with any other tools you desire, such as crystals, candles, goddess power, herbs, and paper and pen. Casting a spell is to affect an outcome by setting an intention and performing a ritual around it to amplify positive energy. Remember, it's all about the energy. Your spells will be more powerful as you learn to work with the energies the universe provides. All right, so then we have the guided journal, which we already looked at. In these pages, you'll have the space to write and reflect on your most magical journey as you work to enhance and direct your most positive life. Remember, the moon is full of magical power, but the power to harness it and use it wisely is within you. And then the moonstone. This kit includes a moonstone to help enhance your journey. It is a stone for new beginnings and strongest with the new moon. Hold it or place it near you as you meditate with the new moon. A moonstone can help you restore balance and find calm. All right, so we're just going to flip through here. I love it. This is awesome too, because if you're trying to manifest, sometimes doing it by certain cycles, depending on what you want to manifest, is fantastic. So like new moon, beginning of the cycle, that's a great time to set intentions. Awesome. Oh, we can write affirmations. Okay. Love it. All about intentions. Perfect. Then we have some positive moon affirmations. So new moon, this time is the time to set intentions. Initiate a new relationship, look for a new job, get a new haircut, pay attention to new people. And then the affirmation here, light a pink candle and say, I welcome new opportunities and experiences. Awesome. Okay, so it gives you that to work with, meditating. And then we have, ooh, color. There's a lot of really great info in here. This would be good for beginners who don't know where to start with the moon. Information on the blue moon, black moon, lunar eclipses. This is awesome too for the birthstones. Mine is June, so we're going to read June real fast. So meaning, the pearl is a traditional symbol of purity and inner wisdom. The energy, while not a true crystal, pearls can be worn to magnify loyalty, truth, and sincerity. Hold a pearl and say quietly or aloud, the shimmering glow of a pearl in your hand, the softness, the roundness, perfection, remind you of love at its height. For love of oneself and true to your heart are seen in this gift from the sea. Aww. Astrology, that's awesome. Yay. More info. This is awesome. And then we have rituals. Very cool. Okay, so then let's get into the cards here. Look at the fun wrapping. Alrighty. So it does go by the phases. The cardstock is thin, but keep in mind it is, $15. And these aren't really meant to be oracle cards or anything of the sort. Then it has the info on the back. So we're just going to flip through and then we'll shuffle and we'll pull one because why not? If you want to pause to read these, you can do so. And whenever you are doing a spell or looking up a spell, please do your research to see whether or not that flows with what you believe or what you know. Research is key. If it doesn't feel right in your soul, then I wouldn't do it. And as with anything as far as magic goes, you don't need expensive, crazy, aesthetically pleasing tools. You just need yourself, really, because it's all about energy and intention. All of those things are wonderful and nice to own and fantastic, but it's not a necessity. That one, don't know about that one. Attitude adjustment. Oh, we love aging gracefully, don't we? I mean, this whole kit is very aesthetically pleasing. It's beautifully done. There's a lot of really good basic information in here. So if you're a beginner or just wanting more information all in one space, this is great. Oh, interesting. Selecting a child's name. I wonder if that would work for pets. Because sometimes we have a hard time naming our own pets, right? Okay. So we'll shuffle and then we'll read in depth on the cards. I mean, you're probably not going to be shuffling this, but I just want to see. It's not bad. All right. Clearing a cluttered mind spell. All right. Worries, woes, and burdens, I release you into this stone. I fill my cleared mind with the moon's restorative powers. The waning moon is the time to let go of mental troubles. Amethyst, with its soothing energies, can help. Holding the stone, take a few deep calming breaths, focus on the worries you'd like to release, and let the stone absorb them. When ready, say spell in front of the card quietly or aloud. Place the stone near a window where the moon's cleansing energies will clear the stone and recharge it for your next use. I love this idea, this type of spell, because it literally utilizes what the moon and the stone are for. And it literally doesn't do any harm. And also, if you find that the stone is cracked or if it goes missing, then that's the sign, for me at least, that it served its purpose. So all in all, I'd say that there's a lot of really good information in here. I think there is value to a kit like this, especially if you are beginning or feeling overwhelmed with just books on books on books. So a kit like this really kind of narrows things down for people. And you don't have to be a beginner to want to use a kit like this. I think that this is a chance to see new ideas and get inspired for a bargain price. And then you also get a stone. So obviously I'm excited about that. I don't really have much criticism about it. I think that obviously it's going to be whether you prefer this or not. But like I said, do your research. And if it doesn't feel comfortable for you to do a certain spell, don't do it. That's your intuition telling you that it's not going to be the best outcome for you to do. But now I'm going to throw it over to you guys. What do you think about this? Is this something that you are excited about? Is it something that you are interested in but are a little on the fence? Or is this just strictly a hard pass? Please let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Keep it civil though. Thank you in advance. And while you're in the description box and in the comment section, I do have a link tree in the description box that will send you to all of my social medias as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.